name is Scarlett from AA4C. Our company was founded in 2007 and we are a professional manufacturer of car washing machines. Now here is our office building and we have more than 56 employees including 5 engineering and technical personnel, professional inspectors.
The main products are touchless car washing machine, roll-over car washing machine, tunnel car washing machine, etc. We also customize making car washing machines.
We can see here is our packing area. All the packages are ready to delivery. This workshop is mainly for testing and assembling. Each blower component will be tested before the delivery. This product is propulsion pump. This is control box for blower. This is control box for car washing machine. Now here is our assembling line.
Now what is shown here is our 3 best-selling products.
Now you can see this one is our best-selling one due to its economical price and high performance. The blower is totally 12 kilowatt and the total power is 25 kilowatt. The frame structure length is 6 meters. It only takes 3 to 4 minutes to wash a car, and the touchless function ensures the car paint no hurt.
We can set many washing modes, such as pre-wash, express deluxe wash, express premium wash, etc.
We can see this model equipped with dual arm, which can clean car more faster and cleaner. Now we can see this model is the Super one. Its length is about 7.5 meters. Our model has 3 ultrasonic sensors. It can detect the voice of a car. 22 kilowatt fan which drive the car faster. Now we can see this is overflow rubber foam. It can make the washing process more interesting.
Scissor.com. Make global trade easier.